Hi, I'm Samuel with On Golden Pond, and I've been working with my online toolbox, doing all the marketing. I had a website before, but that website really didn't resonate with what we were doing. At least that's what we heard from my online toolbox. And ever since we started working, I never saw the final picture being put together. But sorry, I have to mention your name. Ryan really pushed me to do it and really pushed me to get everything done. He had, in my online toolbox, had the idea in your mind how to make it happen. And once everything started to being put together, I saw the form of it. And now we have a beautiful website where I know we're already getting a lot of new leads, and we'll be getting a lot more quality leads coming in soon as well. So, in a nutshell, that's my experience with my online toolbox, and it's been great. I will not look for any other marketing company. So go and sign up with them right now.